What's good, YouTube? What's good, people? What's going on? How is everybody doing? How is everybody doing out there? I guess that we had a great start to our trading week, and we are keeping the momentum and the mojo to go throughout this whole week. But not only this trading week, but for this month of August, right? What's good, YouTube? I repeat, what's going on? How is everybody doing? This is your boy Harlem, and I'm back with another video. Today's video gonna be a trade breakdown. Today's video gonna be a trade breakdown on how I took a trade yesterday, right? Like you guys know it that I keep on saying trade breakdowns are based on why I plan my trades and why I trade my plans. And the other thing is the power of sticking to your trading plans and your trading rules, regardless of anything, right? So you guys remember that everything that I share, I plan it out the previous day so I can do it, prepare for it for the coming week, right? So don't forget to like and subscribe and share and turn on the notifications so you can get notified every time I upload new videos, and to sign up with the broker that I use, Quick Trade, right? So when you guys now look at the charts, you can clearly see that we are on some type of support. That price has been creating some type of support and pushing price to the upside, right? But this is not once. I think this was the first time it happened. The second time it happened. The second time it happened. And fortunately, the third time it happened, right? So you guys need to focus on zones, right? Focus on your zones. Focus on your candlesticks. Focus on your candlesticks. Focus on depletion and momentum. And to most of all, focus on you as an individual, right? So now you guys can clearly see that prices created some sort of support zone, right? And we did share on our trade idea that we're simply looking to be bullish above support and be bearish below, right? So on the 4 hour, like this trade is based on the hourly, right? But our plan was from the 4 hour, right? So when you guys can clearly see our current price, okay, let me remove this for now. When you guys can clearly see that our current price came back to our support like we anticipated, because price closed somewhere right there to end our week, and we did say that we're simply looking forward for price to come back to our support to continue moving to the upside if we're going to be bullish, or for price to break below to continue moving to the downside, right? So now, with me waking up at the time that I always wake up on, I clearly saw that, okay, 6 a.m. Yeah, somewhere right there, that okay, price is kind of like rejecting our support, right? We're having rejections on our support, right? Price rejected, and price rejected again on our pre-London session, which is 08 a.m. in Southern Africa. And it's probably, I think, 6 a.m. I think it's 6 a.m. in the UK, right? So when this candlestick rejected again, and the coming London open candlestick rejected again. So we probably like had three indecision candlesticks. Price wasn't confirming to us that are we going to buy or are we going to sell at that current price or at our zone, right? So patience plays a major role in Forex. Patience plays a major role in Forex, right? So when you can clearly see that we've been indecisive, we've been undecisive for like 3 hours or 4 hours of our day. All I waited for now is that with the London Open having a indecision candle, I waited for price to either give us a bullish candlestick above our candlesticks, our indecision candlesticks, or for price to be below our rejections or our indecision candlesticks, and I will further take a continuation trade either to the upside nor to the downside. So 10 a.m. When 10 a.m. hit, you can clearly see the price tempted to move to the downside with a bear candlestick open and price closing above, and price still closing bearish, but above, not above our zone, but inside our rejections or our indecision candlesticks. Now, with price having an indecision candle, a rejection candlestick again, and closing straight on our indecision candlestick, All I was waiting for is that if I get again a bear candle open, a bear candle close, trading below our zone, then I'll continue moving to the downside. But if I get a momentum candlestick trading above this very same zone, then I'll need to continue to the upside. That was just my plan when I woke up on Monday. But I prepared for this on Saturday and on Sunday, me and the team, that we're simply looking to be bullish long as price is still above our support. But if price breaks below our support, then let's look to be bearish. So you can clearly see that we had multiple rejections, or we had price failing to break below our support. And we have price still trading, and we have price still trading above our support zone. All I need to wait for is for a momentum candlestick. Is it gonna be bearish or be bullish? I don't know, right? Until this candlestick came about, until we had this big, until we had this bullish engulfing candlestick or this momentum candlestick. So when you look at all the, when you simply look at our Asian session, you can clearly see that price has been moving to the downside, right? And price has been bearish, right? So with price moving to the downside on our Asian session and price moving sideways on the current market price pre-London and on our London open, and price having a bullish engulfing candlestick which traded above our rejections and our indecision candlesticks, that was then time for me to put all my attention on gold, into saying, okay, price was trading, price is still holding our support. Price is still holding our support. We're having multiple rejections. We're having multiple rejections to the downside. And price is kind of like indecisive. We're having indecision candlesticks. What's next? Because we now have a bullish engulfing candlestick or a momentum candlestick, which is giving us signs that price might be looking to be bullish, right? So when you clearly see that, okay, price was doing what it's been doing, I even did something like this into adding confluence into my trades, into why I need to take this trade. So you can clearly see that we were low-key having a bullish flag, right? If you're trading patterns, you can clearly see that we're having a bullish flag. If you're trading trend lines, you can clearly see that we had a break of our trend line. But if you're trading support and resistance, or you're simply sticking to your price action, you can clearly see that price is still holding our support, and price had a momentum candlestick, which gave us an anticipation into saying price might look to continue moving to the upside. And that's why I took a trade yesterday on gold, based on all these confluences, based on all the confluences that I shared. So now I need you guys to focus on something else, that how you take your trades or how you base your trades doesn't need to be complicating, but you as a forex trader need to understand it yourself. In this instance, I had many confluences into why I have to take a trade. I had a bullish flag, I had a break of my trend line, I have a bullish engulfing candlestick above our support, and I have price failing to break below of our support, and price giving us momentum to trade above our support. And that was it, people. That was it. Like I shared on my previous video, like I shared on my previous trade breakdown, how you take a trade, how you take your trade, or how you base your trades doesn't have to be complicated. But the most important thing is how you trade has to align with your risk to reward ratio. In this instance, I was simply looking for a 1 to 3, but I saw that price can come back to this highs, or price is kind of like more bullish. Price is kind of like bullish enough for it to continue moving to the upside. Won't it exhaust, or won't it have a pullback before it can continue moving to the upside? And that's why I took my profit. Do you guys get me? Do you guys get what I said, or do you guys understand what I shared? Do you guys understand that? I hope you guys do, and I hope you guys take something from this video, because this video is educationally based on why you have to take trades on certain zones, and why you have to be patient with your trades when prices are still on certain zones, and what reasons do you gather in order for you to take a trade as a forex trader. Do you guys get me? So without further ado, people, without further ado, I broke down what I had to break down and I shared what I had to share. And I believe that a lot of y'all people gonna take something from this and learn something from this. Without further ado, don't forget to like and subscribe and share and turn on the notifications so you can get notified every time I upload new videos. And to sign up with the broker that I use with the link on my description or on my bio, and sign up with the broker that I use, Quick Trade, or to get a hold of me concerning Forex, I'm gonna leave my email, I'm gonna leave my contact details, and I'm gonna make sure that Circle of Traders helps you guys out there and makes you guys winners like I am a winner. You guys get it. Without further ado, I'm out.